Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down product to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're talking about the Jackery HomePower 3000 solar generator. And honestly, if you've been thinking about home backup power, emergency preparedness, or even powering your RV off-grid, this one deserves your full attention for the next few minutes. Let's get straight to it. Is this product really worth buying? Let's break down the numbers and find out that at its core, the HomePower 3000 packs a massive 3,072 watt-hours of capacity using a LiFePO4, or LFP, battery with a continuous output of 3,600 watts and a surge capacity of 7,200 watts. Now, what does that mean in real life? It means you can run a full-size refrigerator, your Wi-Fi router, fans, lights, and even some power tools, all at the same time, without tripping anything or losing power. Jackery says it can power a household for up to 15 hours and keep a refrigerator running for 1 to 2 full days. And independent testing has actually validated that. One real-world 24-hour outage simulation powered a full-size fridge, Wi-Fi router, security system, and multiple laptops, sustaining essentials for over 18 hours. That's impressive. Now here's a question a lot of people ask. What makes this different from just buying a regular generator? First, it's completely silent. No fumes, no gassing. You can run it indoors safely. It's built on LiFePO4 cells for stability, long service life, and indoor-safe, zero-emission operation. And second, it comes with 2 SolarSaga 200-watt solar panels right in the box, so you're getting a full solar ecosystem out of the gate. Speaking of recharging, you can fully recharge this unit in just 1.7 hours using hybrid AC and DC input, or 2.2 hours via AC alone. That's genuinely fast for a 3 kilowatt-hour system. Solar recharging with the 2 included 200-watt panels gets you to about 80% in roughly 9 hours of good sunlight. And if you're on the road, it also supports 12-volt car charging or a gas generator as backup. Why is this such a popular choice in 2025? A big part of it comes down to the battery itself. The LiFePO4 cells offer 4,000 charge cycles while retaining 70% capacity, which translates to over a decade of daily use. Compare that to older lithium-ion units, and you're looking at 2 to 3 times the lifespan. Jackery also built in their Charge Shield 2.0 technology, which uses AI algorithms to optimize every charge cycle and protect the battery long-term. Zero-drain technology also retains around 95% of the charge even after 12 months in storage. So when an emergency actually happens, it's ready to go. One of the standout features is its UL-certified UPS mode, which switches to battery power in under 20 milliseconds during an outage. That's fast enough that security cameras, medical devices, and even your Zoom calls won't even notice the grid went down. It also has a built-in TT30 RV port running at 120 volts and 30 amps for plug-and-play RV use, plus dual 100-watt USB-C PD ports for fast-charging phones, tablets, and laptops. Size matters too. Thanks to Jackery CTB, cell-to-body technology, the HomePower 3000 is 47% smaller and 43% lighter than comparable 3 kilowatt-hour models. It weighs in at around 60 pounds, which is manageable with the dual side handles. The exterior features a honeycomb-style bottom shell for added durability and stability, and the interface is clean and intuitive. And for extra peace of mind, it also supports up to 6 essential home circuits when connected to a manual transfer switch, meaning real home circuit backup without a permanent installation. Buyers may also be eligible for a 30% U.S. residential clean energy credit when purchasing qualifying solar equipment like the included SolarSaga panels. That's a significant savings opportunity, so definitely check with your tax professional on that one. At the bottom line, the Jackery HomePower 3000 bridges the gap between a small power bank and a whole house generator, making it a top-tier choice for emergency preparedness. Whether it's a hurricane, a winter storm, a long camping trip, or just wanting to stop worrying about power outages, this unit is built to deliver. It's quiet, clean, powerful, and genuinely future-proof. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.